Right. So when I talk about FLIR is nothing but forward-looking infrared. We are dealing in thermal imaging cameras. We are the world's largest manufacturer of thermal imaging components, and it's a $1.4 billion group. In Indian rupees, it becomes around 8,000 crores. We have got 3,000 employees. It's basically an American company. We are listed on Nasdaq. We have more than 450 different thermal imaging cameras. Those are being used for electrical sector, for mechanical sector, for building sector, for R&D, even for automation. That is also being used for the sector also. We also have equipments for firefighting applications, which can withstand 260 degrees centigrade for few minutes. In India, we do not have any manufacturing unit. All the components are being either manufactured in Europe or in USA. We have a dealer in Sikandrabad here in AP. And all over India, we have around 40 distributors. I have been here a couple of times, but for this Engineering Expo, I am here for the first time. Now the situation is quite good. Things are improving a bit if I compare that from the last year. Industries are coming up, they are purchasing now, and this particular product is very much in demand because this product can help to prevent fire, which is the major cause of concern. This equipment can also tell if any motor is going to fail tomorrow or not without touching, without taking any shutdown at all, because everything emits heat or infrared radiations, and the purpose of this camera is to pick up that heat and give that into an image. So even if you put your hand on a table for a few seconds, the impression will still be there. So same way, if a motor is getting heated up, that gives an impression. So that means without touching it, without taking a shutdown, you can come to know what is the condition of the motor. Tomorrow, if the motor is going to fail, you will come to know that today only. It starts from 1,20,000 rupees. We have product up to around 3 crores, depending upon the requirement.